step 17, part 5, where we're going to attach the seat to the clamped workpiece here. So what we're going to need is we're going to need a impact driver or drill with a number 2 Robertson bit. We're going to need a drill bit that is suitable for a pilot hole, which is again the inside diameter of the number 8 screw. This is an 1.25 inch screw. And also, you could also use a center punch as well, which I'm going to use, which you might not have. So first thing we're going to do is we can confirm that our alignment is the same as last day. In my case, it's 37 on both ends over here, and the alignment is correct. And now I'm going to apply some glue. I made some reference marks on where to stop the glue. And actually, let's back up a bit. What we're going to do first is we are going to create some pilot holes because oak is very hard and also drilling on end grain is difficult. So I'm going to use my, where am I going to use? I'm going to use my center punch here, and I just realized what I forgot is a hammer. So I'm going to come here and don't do this in your shop, but I'm going to use a little center punch like so, making very careful not to shift the wood. And the center punch will allow me to, after I've done that, then I'm going to come over here with my drill, and I'm going to drill approximately half the distance of the drill bit. I can even slip my drill bit in like so. It's okay to go a little bit deeper. Now you notice mine isn't ideally aligned, so it's probably because I had to shift this out of the grid. This one looks pretty good. That one not so much. Pilot holes are very, very important. And I'm going to come over here, remove the chips, and I'm going to apply a bead of glue over the area up to the line. Not a bad idea to shift that glue around so it spreads out. The other thing I should have had here is some extra paper towel. If you got a shop coat, wipe the glue on there. And now I'm going to realign my seat bottom, dropping it on top. And then I'm going to, this is a little trick to stop the end grain from splitting, is take a little bit of soap onto your threads of your number 8 1.25 inch screw. And then I'm going to come down like so. And notice that I'm just doing little hits of the trigger. I'm not going to overdo it with that because some students will drill it all the way through. I bring in my number 2 Robertson head screwdriver and snug it down by hand. After I have that one in place, then I can, again, more lube on the screw. Make sure it's all lined up. Snug it again down, hand tighten it. Don't overdo it. Screw number 2, now screw number 3. Oh, I forgot to do my, oh, that's right. And come in like so. Oh, don't overdo it, hand tighten. So, and this is my final screw. Screws on the thread act as lubrication to minimize the chance of splitting. Don't overdo it with the impact driver, or you could crack your wood and tighten that final thing. And then what you want to do is loosen up the jig. You can get in there now. And what we would do is, which I don't have, is get some damp paper towel, pretending this is damp paper towel, clean that glue off very well. Don't worry if there's water dripping down. That will prevent it, make your finish better. Okay, so that concludes step 17, part 5. We'll see you to do the other step on the next part 6. Thank you.